So, as you saw, Dwayne and the team made it to Portland Gap, 1/3 of the adventure. So let's head back on the trail.
Team A was determined to reach the peak in time to see the sunrise, but thief in time were the many rest stops.
I'm on bus, man. Bus.
Your bus? Your bus.
Can I carry 2 wagons?
Alright.
I should carry a water bottle.
With weak knees, shivering hands, the A-team embraced daylight. Not yet at the peak as they would have imagined, but the view was enough for them to celebrate.
A lot of struggles.
Yeah, we're not reach yet, but we're getting there.
I'll make to the corner with a making. And that's for where they meant to take it. Sure. I'll be there for sure. Don't worry. I'll miss them. Bam, 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 bam. It's not an easy road. How many see the glamour and the glitter? So
No,
they think I bet
coconut.
those me say,
You're walking it. Come.
yes, you got to be strong and be all the best you can. The world is out there, conquer your fears. Don't you wait too long. How you doing?
back.
Long time I haven't seen you.
How was?
Have a quick little chat with you.
No, my hand frozen.
Oh.
Completely frozen. I don't know if I can cold.
That's okay. No, you don't have to
Yeah,
hold.
cold.
Yes.
But it was very cold.
It was hard? How long was your trip up?
No, it's not hard, but cold.
We're about 10-15 minutes away from the top. It's been a long, long road, but it's been fun. So we continue our trek. Most of the team, we're here, others some way back, but that's how it goes. We've been traveling from the foot of the hill, trying to get to the summit. And we'll get there, just not right now. Oh, I'm tired. Greetings, greetings. How far are we? Not so much. Okay, thank you. I wish I were better. Yes. Elfin, which means
Peak. Welcome to the peak, which is not really the peak. It's just closer to the peak. But we're going to go to the peak.
Okay, so we're at the point where the Blue and Jonkro Mountains were declared a World Heritage Site in 2015 by UNESCO. It's been great, man.
Going. Do you see that?
Made it.
We have conquered the Blue Mountain.
Today my rise like the sunrise, my bright and my upright. No one can break my vibes. I'm in no care who I fight, I know I size. I'm on the higher heights. So you can say what you want to and do what you want to. It's no concern to me. One vision, me dip on my one mission to rule my destiny. Oh, it's my day to do anything I want to. It's my time, and I'll use it any way I want to. It's my life, and I'm responsible for every action. It's all mine, my day, my time, my life.
Of all the countries you've visited, what's the best experience you've had?
Jamaica is really beautiful and nice.
Awesome, awesome. Well, thank you, Christoph. Will you be back to Jamaica anytime soon?
Yes.
for less. What's the point in trying if you ain't trying your best? They wanna see me 6 feet under, but I'm watching my steps. Now everybody watching me like Jay-Z watches the Nets. Don't see myself on a skateboard, but I stay on my grind. Aiming for the top, and I won't stop till I cross that finish line. I see it like the deaf, I listen like the blind. So if I can't hear them scheming, I still see the sign.
The group was treated to a view of most of Jamaica. The day was not very clear, and so they did not get a glimpse of Cuba.
So we traveled across 4 parishes in one night: Kingston, St. Andrew, Portland, and St. Thomas. We made the trip in less than 6 hours. It was tough, it wasn't easy, but guess what? We even made new friends from Austria, Germany, Italy, and the United States. So if those people can come from far and wide just to see what the Blue Mountain Peak is all about, why can't we? This is the gem in our backyard. Jamaica land we love, and please, if you get the chance, take your family and friends and come visit the Blue Mountain Peak.
Well, I am very happy for them. But you know, the first lizard I see, I just go in my car, go lay down and wait on them. But it seemed to be fun, actually, really and truly. That was wonderful. Just me afraid of lizard. So they would have to carry me somewhere where them don't have no lizard.